day 117 of running every day. Morning, 4:59 a.m. Speed Monday. Let's go. Second set. Third set. Sixth set. I forgot to charge again. 15 minutes, Fast Monday, Feb 23, 2026, 5:15 a.m. This is day 117 of running every day. Let's go. 5:21, time to cook. (6:09) done cooking.